In this video, we'll be discussing how to reduce stress in trading. I will address a few points that can help you keep your calm and reduce stress during your trading sessions. I've been trading the markets for 5 years now, and as a trader myself, I know how stressful it can be to watch the markets and make trades. Stress can cause devastating damage to your portfolio and to your mental health. If you experience stress, it can lead to a series of bad decision making. You cannot think clearly as your emotions gain the upper hand. You lose control over your behavior and act solely based on emotions. A big part of becoming a successful trader is to find ways to deal with your emotions and adjusting your mindset so that you can withstand the volatility markets can bring and stay calm so you can make decisions based on your analysis and system that you have in place. Focus on long-term results. It's important to remember that trading is a marathon and not a sprint. The markets can be incredibly volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly to the upside as well as to the downside. Focusing only on short-term profits can lead to making impulsive decisions that can result in unnecessary stress and losses. Instead, focus on your long-term goals and objectives. This can help you make more informed decisions and ultimately achieve greater success. This holds true especially when you're attempting to day trade, because when you are day trading, you benefit from intraday fluctuations in price. You're looking at the lower time frames and focusing on the smaller movements that the market is presenting to you throughout the day. It is easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. 1 or 2 losses on the day can make you feel stressed, and that can create the urge to make the money back as soon as possible. However, if you're focused on the long term, you give yourself the opportunity to weather short-term setbacks and avoid the temptation of quick profits. Losses are simply part of the process. If you have a system that works for you, then you know that over time, eventually your wins will outperform your losses. That is why it's always good to remember that you can be down on any particular day, but actually up in the week. And when you are having a bad trading week, you can still end up in profits when looking at your performance over the last month. So, focusing on long terms can also help you avoid unnecessary stress and anxiety. When you're constantly monitoring the markets and making decisions based on every single price change, it can be incredibly stressful. It's essential, absolutely essential, to focus on long-term results when day trading the markets. Avoid the temptation of quick profits and instead focus on your long-term goals and objectives. This can help you weather short-term setbacks and ultimately achieve greater success. Remember, and I repeat, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time and make informed decisions. Trust your system and do not forget to zoom out every once in a while to keep the bigger picture in sight. Start with a plan. Having a solid plan in place can help reduce stress significantly. You should set realistic goals and objectives for your trades and create a clear and concise trading strategy. Ensure that you do your research beforehand and have a clear understanding of the market and its trends. Having a clear plan in place can help reduce stress levels and make more informed trades to begin with, as you simply already know what you're looking for before entering into a position. This way, you will have a significant control over your actions, and it's much harder to be caught by a surprise as you already anticipated on multiple scenarios. So the bottom line here is be proactive. When creating your plan, consider the following. What is your risk? What do you expect from the trade? What strategy will you use? What are your entry and exit points? And why are those your entry and exit points? Having a plan helps you explain your actions to yourself. Follow the plan. Having a plan is helpful, but having the discipline to follow that plan and stick to it is actually very, very, very crucial. Sticking to your trading plan and strategy is crucial to reducing stress. It's essential to avoid impulsive trades and stick to your goals and objectives that you've originally set for yourself. It's important to have the discipline to follow your plan even when the market is volatile or unpredictable. By staying disciplined, you can reduce stress levels and make better trades. So, to sum it up, don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Stick to your predetermined trading plan, avoid making impulsive trades, do not chase losses, and cut losing trades on time and simply move on to the next trading plan. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks when trading to avoid burnout and reduce stress levels. Trading can be extremely intense and stressful, so taking time away from the screen is really important to maintain focus and productivity. Consider taking short breaks every hour or so, as well as longer breaks throughout the day to recharge and simply refocus. During your breaks, try to step away from your computer or phone and do something that is actually relaxing to yourself. Going for a walk or practicing a hobby, this can help reduce stress levels significantly and improve your focus when you return back to the screen. Be realistic. What I want to say about this is embrace the process of learning. Set realistic expectations for yourself. Trading the markets is a craft that requires hard work and effort to understand well. Let go of the stories you've heard of how somebody has made millions of dollars in just a few trades. You simply cannot compare your level 1 to someone else's level 10. Therefore, just embrace your own process. Invest in education. Take your time to learn. Put in the work and focus on becoming consistent. One profitable trade does not mean you can trade. If you are able to take 100 trades and half of them are winners, then you have actually something to work with, because then you can prove to yourself that over time you can achieve results no matter the conditions of the market. That in turn builds the confidence you need to trade the markets day in, day out, week by week, month by month, and year by year. Lastly, consistency is key. Reducing stress in trading is absolutely crucial to make better trades and ultimately achieving profitability. By starting with a solid plan, focusing on long-term results, staying disciplined, and taking breaks, you can significantly reduce stress levels and make better trades. Remember to stay calm and focused and always, always, always stick to your plan. If you want to learn more about how to set realistic goals and expectations, make sure to check out this video next.